Hey guys, in this video, we are going to discuss some best practices you need to follow as a WordPress plugin developer. The first tip is to follow WordPress coding standards. Visit wp.org and check out the learning section for developers if you want to know more about WordPress coding standards. As you can already see from here, there is a lot that cannot be covered in this video, so it is best to take your time and go through the handbook of WordPress. The second tip is to maintain a clear folder structure. Maintaining a clear and well-organized folder structure is a must for WordPress plugin development. It is also helpful for the developer as it shows the entire workflow. The last tip is to use tools and services when needed. As a WordPress plugin developer, you should make use of any tools that might work and maintain your plugins. One service you can make use of as a WordPress developer is Appsero. It is a SaaS platform that allows you to track your plugin performance, revenue, find user satisfaction, send email campaign, and even provide customer support to your plugin or theme users. So visit Appsero for more information and also check out our blog on this topic. The link for this will be given up there and in the description box down below. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.